Whether you've just purchased our #1 rated dry erase product, or you're thinking about it, this video will help you with the perfect installation. Remarkable dry erase can be applied on just about any smooth painted surface. First, mask your area with painter's tape. And lay a drop cloth to protect the floor. For surface prep, patch any divots or scratches and sand any bumps or high spots on the wall, so the surface will be as smooth as possible. White Remarkable must be applied over a true white paint. Clear Remarkable can be applied over white or any light to mid-toned color. The best type of paint to use is Remarkable base paint. However, some other satin or eggshell water-based enamel paints will work also. Never apply Remarkable over primer alone. Apply 2 coats of Remarkable base coat, waiting 3 to 4 hours between coats. Wait at least 24 hours after applying the final coat before applying Remarkable dry erase coating. If you choose not to use Remarkable base coat because you want to choose a specific color of paint, refer to our FAQ page at www.remarkablecoating.com/FAQ for more specifics about base coat. Remarkable should be applied with a 9-inch, full-size, 1/4 inch nap, or 3/8 nap microfiber roller. It is best practice to delint the roller by wrapping 2-inch masking tape around it, spiraling it from top to bottom, covering the entire roller sleeve, then removing the tape. Do this prior to mixing part A and B together. Again, Remarkable works best over smooth painted surfaces. Avoid application over orange peel texture. If you have any questions at all, call our support team prior to mixing the 2 parts together. Remarkable comes in 2 parts, A and B. The 2 parts should be mixed in a clean mixing tub. We recommend the mixing tubs that have the volume measurements printed on them. Right before you are ready to apply, gently and thoroughly mix and fold part A with part B together in the clean mixing container with a clean stir stick. Continue to gently stir the 2 parts together for 3 to 4 minutes. Then, pour into a clean rolling tray. Start your application immediately and be completed within the allotted 40 to 45 minutes. When using Remarkable on multiple walls, never mix an entire 600 square foot kit together at one time. We include mixing ratios on your instruction sheet for mixing smaller amounts of Remarkable from a 600 square foot kit. Keep a wet edge throughout the painting process by cutting in as you go. A 2-inch sponge brush works great for cutting in next to the ceiling, floor, and corners. Roll up and down, vertically working in about 3-foot sections, reloading your roller when needed, and slightly overlapping each section as you move across the surface. Always lead with the heel of the roller, applying a slight forward pressure towards the heel. It is important that you do not attempt to stretch the product by applying it too thin. Do not try to create a 50 square foot whiteboard surface with 35 square feet of material. Use the prescribed amount per your project size. Apply Remarkable liberally, rolling out any drips or runs in a section as they happen. Do not go back and re-roll a section after you have moved on to the next section. Pay close attention as you work. Remove tape carefully immediately post-application. Do not let the tape dry into the finish. Once applied, Remarkable dries to the touch in about 12 to 16 hours. Let it cure a complete 48 hours. Remarkable is ready to write on after 48 hours. Draw and write on your surface with low-odor dry erase markers, then wipe it off using a microfiber cloth whenever you want. It's Remarkable. You never need to use harsh cleaners to keep it spotless. Never use abrasive tools or chemicals to clean Remarkable. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, please call us at 800-936-2159.